Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a new show and tell video of a new kit. But first, I want to explain something to you. I've been on a holiday. I didn't tell that in the group. I had my reasons for that, and I will share everything with you, like pictures and little movies, when I had the time. I wanted to do that when I arrived back home on Thursday night, late in the evening actually. And well, I think we were home for about 1.5 hours. My husband went in the shower and he felt a lump. I don't know how to say it, a knobbel, we say, on his body, and it was on a weird spot. So he came out of the shower and talked to me, and he explained, and we went, of course, on the internet, like everybody else does, and tried to check what might going on, what might be going on with the lump. And we checked several websites, also the one our doctor advised us to check. And in short, it said, go straight to the doctor and have yourself checked, because this could be seriously wrong. So we went to bed. We didn't sleep, to be honest. Woke up very early next morning to make an appointment with the doctor, which we did. Went to the doctor, and the next step is she confirmed there was a lump, and she confirmed it, and now we have to go. Well, not me. My husband has to get a scan next week, Wednesday. We don't know if it's wrong, but yeah, your mind goes off that way very fast. So we were a little bit stressed. Well, a little bit is an understatement. We were extremely stressed. I still am. And for a few days, I didn't do anything with the kit or with Facebook or with making videos of protocol for you to share or sending little pictures. I didn't do that. And I'm not sure when I will. First, I have to wake. Oh, I'm so tired. I've never been on a holiday, which I was with my husband, and we had a great holiday. And we were well rested when we returned. But I didn't post anything in the Facebook group yet. I wanted to do that when we arrived back. But you can imagine I wasn't in the mood to share my holiday pictures when we are stressed out about this thing. We don't know what it is. And another thing happened. That was Friday. We were sitting on the couch and we heard a very strange noise in the kitchen. And one of the cats was sitting there very intrigued by the noise. My husband said, well, it's the kitty cat making a noise. I said, no, the kitty cat is watching because he hears the noise. And then my husband opened the drawer and there was a mice. And we have spent a lot of money to literally make Fort Knox of our home for mice, sorry. And still they came in, so we had to clean everything. We took everything out, threw things away, cleaned, disinfected everything, cleaned every drawer, everything. So I think we went to bed at 4:30 that night. I think we were busy for about 6 hours or something. So, and now we have to call the guy to check, and with the cameras in every corner he can see something. So, but we checked since Saturday morning, and there are no mice anymore, even not dead ones. So, because we placed like there's sticky plates, and I know I like, they look so nice, but when you have them in your home and you don't do anything, you have many in a few weeks. And even more when you don't do anything after that. So I don't want them in my house. and the kitty cats couldn't find them, catch them, because they were underneath the sink in a special, underneath the ground. I don't know how to explain. We closed every hole and put sticky plates, and well, that was my holiday. I went on a holiday, came back, and then we have this. The holiday was great. We went to Portugal. I've been in Lisbon. I've been to Nazaré. I've been to Fatima. I've been to Porto de Mos. I've been to, what's the other? Sintra. That was very special with all the palaces. We've seen a lot, and we had good food. Not every day, because it was pretty hard to find a restaurant where we are. The hotel was very good, and we celebrated our 23rd wedding anniversary, and we had a cooking class at the hotel together, and we had a lot of fun. And when we came home, we had this lump thing. Sorry, because I'm very worried. But we agreed, my husband and I, that we would approach it like we don't know if it's wrong till we know. So let's assume it is not wrong. I finished the kit today, and I'm going to show you the pages now. Okay, this is the promo sheet with all the different pages and ephemera pieces that are in. It's 25 pages. And there's a lot. There are journal pages, collage pages, and I started this kit before I went on a holiday, but due to circumstances before the holiday, I couldn't finish the kit. And, well, due to circumstances after the holiday, I couldn't finish the kit before the end of the month. But I just go and show you the pages. Is the lighting okay? I'm not sure if this is better, but this is another journal page. And this is one of my favorite pages. I really like the fall colors on this one. More collage with scripts. And if you print this and you see this is not very crisp and clear, because it's an old image. That's why. It's not because I have a bad quality of kit, but I really like the grungy and the vintage look of this. So I included this in the kit because I really like it. Another sort of collage page. And then we have this with the book pages on it. And we have this one. And I think this one was, this is almost the same as this one, but without the frame. And I couldn't decide which one should be in the kit, so I put them both in. Then we go to the ephemera pieces. We have tags and tickets. These can be a journal card or a little booklet or a tag, whatever you want. Railway tickets, tabs, extra embellishment pieces, a lot of mushrooms and little script thingy. Then we have larger ticket with mushrooms, some, I don't know how you call these, index cards, yeah. Frames you can turn into specimen slides. Then we have little labels. I have some texts, some mushrooms, a fall lady over there. Then we have this page. This can be the outside of a booklet, but you can also use this as a front piece of your journal, or a large journal card, or you can turn it into a side tuck spot or top tuck spot. There are several things you can do with it, and I really like these. I have rather large tags because we like them. Lots of mushrooms, also layer tags. You can layer them and embellish or use them separate. And then we have more tabs. These are rather large tabs, I know, because we have large tags. Little bits and pieces over here. And a bingo card. These are like minis, so you can put them on the smaller things, like on tags. These can be used as, well, layering pieces, or as a book plate, or as journal cards. And I added larger butterflies because you can, if you like, stamp on these and put a butterfly and some mushrooms, you can make your own collage on this. So I thought maybe I should put in larger butterflies this time. Also have large pockets, and if you think they are too big, you can always make them a little bit smaller by folding them in more, so they are smaller that way. You can also use this as a background for a tag, of course, or a journal card. Then we have an envelope over here, and these are the same as these, but without the boy and the girl. I thought it would be nice if you could like put something else, like a window, or you can turn this into a specimen slide too. So yeah, 25 pages, and I am really happy how this turned out. So yeah, a little bit later than I planned, but yeah, for you, I don't think for you it does matter too much, but for the design team members, it would be best if they had a kid a little bit earlier. But yeah, I was too late. So I'm just showing you the pages one more time. And this will be listed in my Etsy. This one will be on sale with a 25% sorry, discount. And I also will put all the other fall kits on sale, because I also have the falling leaves and autumn breeze. It's a very fun kit to work with. And I'm going to put those on sale with 30%. And no, I'm going to do something very, very brave, I think. I'm going to put them on with 50% for the next 2 weeks. So if you want to purchase another fall kit, not this one, they will be on sale with 50%. And I'm doing this especially for you because you all jumped into the collaboration with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts and myself last month with the final days of summer. And I just wanted to do something in return. And yeah, you can purchase those kits the next 2 weeks with 50%. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Well, I hope you liked the kit. You can shop for it after seeing this because it's listed. I will link it down below. And also make sure you check out the Facebook group, because I'm not going to do challenges this month. Oh, I have to make a statement about that too. Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts is doing a challenge next month with her kit, and she has her own design team. She did a call out in the group, and she's going to do challenges. I'm going to do some challenges too, and there will be freebies, but I have to get those ready, and when I have everything ready, I will inform you ASAP. So yeah, you can grab the kit with 20% off, the other fall kits with 50%, and there's no coupon needed. It's just in my shop, and the fall sale is for 2 weeks with 50%. So yeah, this is it. I hope you liked the kit. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, like, subscribe, make sure you become a member in the Facebook group. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.